Is it the right time to make a move on Apple stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 21, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.49. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. It's worth noting that the stock has gained 7.07%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.22% since being listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term and indicates a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 16.14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 9.85% and 19.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 35.11% over the next year, with a possible return between 21.43% and 38.21%. This could result in a price range of $236.39 to $269.06 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that on Thursday, the stock price experienced a decline of 0.0770%. Specifically, on Thursday, December 21, 2023, the Apple stock price decreased from $194.83 to $194.68, indicating a minus 0.0770% drop. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $193.51 and a high of $197.08, representing a 1.84% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a modest gain of 0.21%. It is worth noting that the decrease in trading volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which can be seen as a positive signal. On the last day, the trading volume reduced by 6 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.55 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price stands at 2.47% below the 52-week high, representing a difference of $4.94. Furthermore, it is 14.71% below the all-time high reached on August 30, 2018, when the price peaked at $228.26. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated, symbol Apple. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Furthermore, on the same day, December 14, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Going back a bit, on Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. And on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $196.57. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $189.99. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued which could impact short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a 1.73% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume of trading fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we will explore some interesting signals that may catch your attention. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which recently indicated a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which showed a sell signal about 6 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Indicator revealed a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average also displayed a sell signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 36 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. Looking at the short moving average, it provided a buy signal 36 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 21 days ago. To discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support, the stock of Apple has some important levels to consider. Just below today's level, we can see support at $181.82 and $176.65, based on accumulated volume. It's worth noting that when a stock tests a support level, there's a chance it may break and fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support level of $181.82 is broken, the next one to watch out for is at $176.65 and $166.89. Apple is known for having controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. Looking at the recent data, the stock had a daily price range of $3.57, or 1.84%, indicating a moderate level of volatility. Over the past week, the average daily volatility was around 1.14%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Apple. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is typically seen in established companies with steady revenues. Moving on to other news, Apple's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. It's an important date to keep in mind. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $2.08. These numbers have the potential to significantly impact stock prices, so it's crucial to monitor them closely. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $197.57. For those who don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's value. The average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell, disposing of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell, getting rid of 123,448 shares of common stock. However, on the same day, Adams Catherine L. also conducted an insider buy, purchasing 123,448 shares of common stock. Then, on November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted another insider sell, disposing of 123,448 shares of common stock. Finally, on November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted another insider sell, disposing of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.562. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $186.15, which is a decrease of 4.38%. This particular stock has relatively low daily movements, which means it carries a lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that the current level might present a buying opportunity for Apple stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 22nd, we anticipate Apple to open up $0.410 and begin trading at $195.09. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your agreement or disagreement with our current view of the stock in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.